Hi friends, good morning and good morning and welcome to our Azure channel, Azure Talks channel. And today we are here on a special request. One of my friend asked me about the Azure policy. So Azure policy is nothing but a cascading of the policy wherein uh, you can actually create basically it evaluates the resource and by comparing the properties which we have given them in the business rule. Okay, so by definition, Azure policy helps to enforce organizational standards and access the compliance at scale. Okay, so that's the whole idea. So what happens is you can go to the portal.azure.com, go to home and look for all services over here. And in all services, you just type policy. And once you find it, just click on the policy and you will see the list of policies which are already existing, the customized one, and also you will find the policies which are just created. So if you see that some of the policies are non-compliant and policies some are compliant. So that's the report. Now the question was how we can create the new policies. To create the new policy, I will just show you. Go to the authoring blade section in the blade of the policy and then click on assignments. Once you click on the assignment, you see one little button called assign initiative. So go on the assign initiative. Okay, and going in, we can actually define our own scope. So my scope would be the um, subscription, and then I will make the maybe the resource group and then select. So this is the first scope. Then there is an exclusion. Let's suppose you have a uh, scope, basically the resource group in which you have 12 resources or 13 resources, and you want to skip any of one. So just click on this. It will display the list of the scopes, list of the features. So let's suppose you want to skip the disk. So this can be excluded from here. Right now, I don't need anything. I will just say cancel it. So basically, the scope will work on the complete resource group. Now I want to select the basic initiative definition. So I will go for the Azure Virtual Machines and let me choose it with the standard. Let me choose it from the standards and I'm just keep going down and I'm looking for the virtual machine, maybe databases. Sorry, the backup backup policy. So I think let's go with the monitoring. Yeah, Azure monitoring. So let's say next. So Azure monitor for the VM. So description, if I want to paste it, I will just copy it and paste it as a description as well. And one time, and then say it is to be enforced, and then who is the assignee. I will go next. So analytics workspace, I need to check whether it is available or not. Right now, I guess log analytics workspace is not available. So I'll go to basic. I will try to choose the change the definition, probably password, and say or this. De deploy prerequisites to enable the guest configuration policies on the virtual machine. So let me select this and say next. Just copy this and paste it in the description and say next. Yeah, so there is no parameters in here. Remediations, yes, create a remediation disk, and the default region is East US. So I'll just say next. Okay, I will all add this policy, all the policy definitions as a request. You can also have a default non-compliance message as well, but I will make it as next. Okay, and then click on create. So creation will take some time, probably few seconds, and immediately the role will also be created. And remediation tax is also created. Okay, so this is created successfully. And if we click on see whether this is in compliance or not, so I will go and click on compliance. Okay, so right now it looks like that the audit policies for the account passwords were uh, compliant and these are non-compliant. Okay, so that's the whole set of the policies. This is how it is created, and again you will see your list over here. Okay, so this is how we are done with the Azure policy. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, do let me know. Azure policies can be right now we have done it with the done for the resources, basically the portal. You can also have the Azure CLI. You can also go for Azure PowerShell policies, and then you can have .NET, Java, Python, REST APIs also, and then ARM templates and Terraform. So I will put the description link. Basically, the if you want to read more on the Azure topics, I can show this. This is the URL from which you can learn, and also I will update it in the description. Thank you for watching us, and this is Umesh. I am logging off for today. Thank you very much.